Hi, what's up, Polygon holder? It's a really great message for all Polygon holder, my brother. The CEO of Polygon, definitely, my friend, especially my friend. This message absolutely tap now. So, holder, one thing I want to share, my friend, before this brand video, before I start this video, please remember to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, because every channel will guide you, update you every day, every time now. So kindly you need to subscribe this channel. Alright, my brother, this time Polygon will completely moving in upward direction. In last 24 hours you can see a plus 1.59% profit, last 7 days plus 12.34%, but in last 1 hour minus 1.29% they will lose now. So I can't expect this, my friend, to why they will lose now, but definitely, my friend, this is reality now. And let's see, my brother, we will need to predict this coin. So first of all, the prediction is going to be very simple now, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time the price will be increasing now. This time, as you can see, my friend, this chart is going to show you, my brother, so they will moving in same direction, not big jumps. You can see, my friend, coming in not big fails now. It's a really good to they will moving in this condition, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will give you a very good profits now. So why you miss this chance? Take a risk and get a profit now. I hope, my brother, you will be get a very good profits now, but if you are hold now, so hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Absolutely, if you subscribe, so you will never miss, my friend, another update, and every strict channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. Allah Hafiz, take care.